Yo, yo, yo. What up? What up? What up? Oh, let me see what's going on. Yo, what up, Taco Tuesday? What up? What up? I'm just setting this Siznick up. Yeah, I banked on gold already today. I am up 732, and I literally missed my take profit. My order was right here, and I missed this drop. I had to go put my kid to bed, and I missed it by that much. So I just moved my take profit up. But this would have been another profitable trade by like $600. But I had to go put my kid to bed, and I left the trade in. So it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I still like it. Everything, all my indicators and stuff are pointing to us to come down. So it is what it is. Let's see what the NQ is doing. I don't think the NQ is going to move around much because CPI tomorrow. I'm smashing CPI tomorrow, by the way. I am going to I got like a little protein shake. Holy shit, I got fucking chocolate crap all over me. Yo, hold on 1 second. I got to wipe. Holy shit. Is this thing leaking? Dude, that was crazy. Yo, what up? Better get on the gold train now. Bro, I banked on gold already. I'm looking at some back tests and shit like that. What are you going? Are you up or down? What are you doing? What train? Is it elevator down? Yo, you're long? I am not long. Yo, what up, Alfred? I am not long on gold. They missed my take profit though by fucking 50 cents before. I had to put my kid to bed. Oh, I do hate how like slow it is at night. What else we got? We got some crude oil. I don't know if I'm playing crude oil. You think we're gonna make a run back up? We could. We definitely could. I do not like yo, I don't like that we made this long hammer basically, or this long tail, and they bought it back up. I'm not a fan. Just looking at some other stuff I got going on. I will say on the hourly for the NQ, looks like we're kind of flagging to go up. The hourly clean trend up on what? On gold? We'll see. We shall see. Wrong, baby. I don't know, man. I think I'm looking at the. I think it's going to go down. I'm in the elevator down. Push the button. Bing. I got so much crap open here. I got so much like stuff just open in my browser window, in my browser windows. Just getting it all freaking. Woo, baby. You see that? We working it down, baby. We working it down. Downtown. Bro, who just watched that video I just put out, by the way, and laughed their ass off? Just wondering. Who just laughed their ass off at this short I put out? Tell me that's not funny. Ooh, come on. Bring it down for daddy. Yo, I'll tell you what, man, you can make some serious money in gold. Gold moves around a little bit. I don't know about during the day, but this after hours stuff during Asia really might be onto something. Boom, 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 boom. So much slower at night. Like I'm probably just gonna sit in this thing for like 10 minutes. Crazy. Who else is on here? What are you guys up to? Well, I really like the gold short. I don't like the big tail on that candle, but I like the rest of it. I got in at 19. If they can bring this probably somewhere around here, I'll probably get out. Yeah, it is snowing. I was at my kid's basketball game and it was snowing. And then last I checked, it was snowing. I think we're going to get 1 to 3 inches tonight. Let me see what it's doing right now. I'll check the old weather.com. Yeah, it's snowing. Central Jersey, where you are, is getting more snow. It's like the storm is like right below us. But yeah, I see it on the weather thing. I mean, we're getting snow to like 4:35 in the morning, so should be come on down, baby. I'm trying. What else moves during Asia besides gold? What are some of the other things we can trade here? Like I'm not trading the YM ever. Like what else we got here? What else is good that we can can you trade hogs? Oh, we can trade heating oil. I don't know. I would trade something else. Why I just sit in this gold trade? The Australian dollar. You know what I'm curious about now that you just said that? I'm playing around with a set of indicators right now. I'm wondering if I do the Euro USD, if I do the Euro USD, if my indicators work there on like the 5. Let me just go to a 5. Dude, I might freaking let this rip. The Japanese yen. Yeah, man, I might do that. That's freaking wild. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I would have to really look in. I would have to do a serious backtesting session to see if I would trade Forex with my current setup. Every time I try Forex, I freaking get smoked. Always get smoked. I'm gonna come. Dude, if this drops, I can't believe they didn't take me out. I'm freaking so annoyed. So annoyed. Oh. Just going to hang in this freaking trade. What are we? We're below the VWAP on gold. Dude, I feel like I want to play poker or something. Why I sit in this. I mean, I guess if you look, I mean, this thing could sit flat for a little bit. What did last night look like? 9, 10. Oh yeah, this thing moves, man. This thing moved last night. Last night, this time, we were cruising. Give me some of those. Give me some of those big candles down. Give me some of those big ones down. Really? Let's try to play some of that. Daddy wants some action. Dude, that's the this is it. It moves like this. This can't be the best contract. That can't be the best contract. Is that really the best contract? Dude, that's weird. Why is it so choppy? That's super choppy. I'm not playing this. Too choppy for me. Boom, 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 boom. What do you trade, Invisible? Are you trading the yen? Do you trade Forex in general by any chance? Oh, baby. Oh, this looks like I can trade this. All right, what do we got going on here? This is the yen. Yen USD is what I. You're long gold? Man, you guys are all long gold. No one told me to long gold. I went in short, and then you guys all. I see how it is. You guys are fading me. All right, so I'm going to look at the yen. Let's see what we got. Yo, what's one? What's one of these? What are these worth here? Anybody know what these are worth? So I just grabbed 4 contracts and I have no idea what they're worth. Should I grab a fifth? Might as well, right? Yo, yo, I just grabbed 5. I just grabbed 5. What are we doing here? Yo, you want me to grab some corn while I'm at it? Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of liking this. Uh, dude, I just loaded the yen up on my chart, and it's kind of the problem is it's fucking inverse. On my chart, I have the USD. I have the USD yen, not the yen US, like JPY. Here we go. All right, let me see what gold's doing. Good, gold pop, gold popped. I'm telling you, it didn't fill me. My fucking order was right here, and it didn't fill me on the way down. That kind of blew my whole thing. Yeah, Sean, I'm just playing around. I was playing gold, and I had a gold, like I got in here, and then I had to go put my kid to bed, and my sell was right here, and it just missed me. Otherwise, I would have made almost $7 on gold, and it didn't fill me. And then once it didn't fill me, I came back and we were up, we were here already, and I knew I was roasted. So I kind of knew I was roasted just due to the fact of I missed my opportunity to sell because I was putting my kids to bed. So it happens. Dude, Canada's just been going down the toilet, man. Their freaking currency is freaking smoked. Now, do more people make money holding Forex currency like for days or weeks, or do they scalp that shit? Like what's the play? What's the Forex play? It's been going up. That's why isn't that guy leaving? The head of the president or whatever, isn't he gonna resign? Wherever they got over there. Yeah, but do you make more money holding that? Or do you make more money like do you swing trade that? I would get into Forex. I just don't think any of you guys really trade Forex. But I've gotten into it, gotten out of it, gotten into it. I probably traded Forex like fucking 7 times through different periods of my life. I've just never made a lot of money on it. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people I know always end up trading like the Euro USD is like the popular one, and then that's probably I know people traded that, and then the yen US dollar was like, I had a friend, man, he used to get up at like 3 in the morning for news and shit. Dude, I'm getting out of this fucking thing. I was just kind of playing around. Yeah, wasn't it like 200 to 1 or something like that? What is it now? Right? That's like what it was, right? 200 to 1, 100 to 1. What was it? Dude, that's wild. Oh, this is the daily gold chart. Just riding this freaking, just riding it. Yeah, dude, I remember. Why? What is it now? Dude, you ain't kidding, Pine. What up? What up? What up? See, I'm debating on throwing more money in my futures account and playing like something like this, where like, obviously, you know, you don't get in at the bottom, but like, you kind of held this, you know, you kind of held it, or you start to get over the 34, over the 9, come back, retest, and then like you break back over this, and like here would be where I would get in, and just hold, just fucking hold it as long as it stays above like the 34 or whatever. But I might go in with some real money and have swings on gold and some of these other on these other things. I am pretty sure that's what I'm going to start doing. I wonder what the margin requirement is to hold over the weekend. 20 to 1? Gross. Gross. Yeah, I kind of freaking like that though. I'm going to look right now what the margin requirement is. Oh, here we go. Maintenance. Dude, I don't even know how to fucking calculate this. Where's the gold at? Show me where the gold's at. The Hung Low index. I meant Hang Seng index. Where the energy names, metals? Here you go. Gold. $12,650 maintenance. I don't exactly fucking know. I would have to ask. Yeah, micros would be less. I don't know what I would do, to be honest with you. I'm, you know, the thing is going to swing around, you know, $30, $40 at a clip. So it's one of those things that you're going to have to not have too much that you can withstand $40, $50 of movement, but at the same time, you want to hold it and make money. You know, obviously one mini is probably too much because I played that today and this right here was like $700 and that was fucking, it's basically it's $100 a point, $100 every dollar. So no, I probably wouldn't go where $50 is $5 grand of my own money, but I would probably go where 50 points is $2,000. I'd probably play four micros, probably 4 or 5 micros and hold it. I'd probably do something like that. Yeah, that's probably what. Damn, Tesla's just getting its dick kicked in for stock. The stock, oh baby, damn. But yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I don't know if you guys are doing it. You know, you guys may not be into it or whatever, but it's something that I am kind of into. Damn. Look at that shit. That's fucking crazy. Do any of you guys swing these things overnight, over the week? Like you hold, anybody here hold 20 contracts of platinum for weeks and months on end with no money in your account for margins? Just curious. Do you guys swing stuff? Gold is interesting. Gold is really interesting here. What was this? What time was that? Oh, that was, yeah, I know what time that was. Shit, man, I am freaking tired. Man, today's trading just freaking ate me up for tiredness. Dude, if this thing doesn't start fucking ripping, what do we got here? Just seeing if anything is like moving. I'll trade anything. I'm about to cash in on my weather bet. Oh, man. See, for like argument's sake, like the yen, right? Like you could have probably held this to the downside for fucking days. Look at this. This is days. Actually, that's an awesome fucking setup. Sweep above, come down, rebalance, lower high, breaks, and then just fucking dies. That's really nice. Yeah. Or whatever natural gas is, NQ is doing nothing. NQ is trading within 5-point range. That's because they have CPIs tomorrow at 8:30. I'm gonna fire up some freaking accounts for that shiznick. I'm definitely going to fire up accounts for that. What was the other? NG? Let's see what NG is doing. NG H5. Dude, you don't trade that, do you? NG J5? Bro, this thing's going nowhere. Or it's all gappy. Super gappy. Whew, shit. I'm just taking a little peeky do on I'm seeing what other time frames you could trade on some of these on gold. Like that's pretty good. That would have sucked. That would have sucked. That would have sucked. There's too many fucking false flags. Too many false flags. Let me see. Yeah, like way too many fucking false flags here. I'm not I know you're gonna laugh, but gold on the hourly chart is where it's at. Yeah, I was joking around, Pine, about holding 20 contracts because the margin requirement is fucking through the roof. You know that was an old video, right? I'm almost positive that video was super old. Like that didn't just happen yesterday. I think it was republished content. It's like, yeah, I'm pretty sure it was republished content. It was like this one time in Bandcamp. That's what it reminded me of. This one time I held some contracts. I don't know. The margin requirements to hold 20 minis is fucking large. So I didn't really listen to the whole thing or even a lot of it. But I'm almost positive it was an old story. I believe very few things of what I see on the internet. I believe very little bit. How's that sound? Very, very little bit. Not saying it's not true. I'm just saying in general, I believe very little bit. Yeah. Why? I mean, you make so much money trading. Why do you need to sell a course? Dude, all the course shit's, you could find all the information for free out there. You don't need to buy a course. At least Patrick tells you that all this shit is free that you can learn, but he packages it up in a course. But, you know, it's all free. It's all free. It's all been out there. Damn, this video, the views are going fucking through the roof. The microcurrencies like M6A. I don't even know what M6A is. Wait. Oh, M6A. Oh, the Australian dollar. Yeah. I don't know. I just think that there's for somebody like myself who will play anything, you know, I look to see like where you can have an edge. Like I've said on my stream earlier, I bet the weather almost every month, and I've been right 5 months in a row because I have an edge. So I will do anything where you have an edge to make money. Are you saying that Ray Dalio does not have a course. Who is that? I don't even know who that is. But I'll do anything that you have an edge. So that's why I do all those back test videos. I used to do them and just not show you guys and just back test it and take my own notes. But I decided to put some of the videos out there because the indicators are free and might as well just throw it out there. But I love back testing indicators, setups, and things like that over the course of time. Take notes, because then when you trade them, you know, hey, listen, this works 78% of the time. Okay, I know if I lose, it's no big deal because over the course of a month, I'm going to be profitable on this trade. And that's why I stopped taking other trades. I started journaling and saying, hey, every time I take this trade, what happens? Loss, loss, win, win, loss, loss, win. And I'm like, that doesn't make sense. I'm out. Yeah, I don't know who he is. There's really good traders that have courses. You know, I'm not saying there's not, because I know a couple that are really good that have stuff. But I also know a lot of people make most of their money selling you discords and courses, and that's how they pay for everything that they put on the internet, is not actually making money trading. Oh man, dude, this just fucking stalled, man. Last night gold was moving. I almost want to do something, but I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. Does gold break this trend? Oh, I'm mapping it out right here. I'm mapping it out. We are right at the base. We're right at the trend line. I've heard of Jim Dalton before. I mean, I haven't looked at his stuff, but I definitely have looked. I've definitely heard of him. You know. Yo, what up, Ray? Ray, isn't it like fucking 3 in the morning by you? How late is it, Ray? It's definitely Ray's fault. We're at the trend line for gold where it's been for an extremely long time. Actually, this trend was basically started in January 27th. Oh, you're back in St. Louis now? In St. Louis. Yo, you hanging out with Nelly? Damn, this trend line has been going on since the beginning of January. I actually saw him in concert recently when he was at the Barclays. Him and Janet Jackson were at the Barclays, and I went. Let me put this on a charger real quick. Oh. All right, who's going to be holding gold overnight? Should I hold gold overnight is the question. Dude, when he cut you off, did he give you the finger? Throw you the old bird as he cut you off? Oh, man. What are we thinking here, guys? Peloton, $8. Jeez. Yeah, I'm not trading futures with them. I don't like their trading platform, especially like scalp and stuff like that. It's definitely not. I barely like their options platform. I threw a couple bucks in there to trade some options and buy some stock and whatnot. And I'm just not a huge fan of the platform. The fees are nice, but that's pretty much it. How many yeses do we got? 5 yeses? Ooh. You guys are going to make me do this. I know it. I'm going to wake up to a blown account. I'm going to blame Ray. It will be blown. I know. They fucking top ticked me too. Look at that. They got me on this wick. And since then, we're down like $5 fucking. DCA will fix it. Dude, what's weird is everything in my body is telling me to short this thing. And everything is telling me to short it. I'm just looking at all the freaking indicators I have. But I could see what could happen. Like we can drop and then all of a sudden we pop back up. I'm just looking at it. Also, I don't want to short down here. Like, this thing's definitely giving me sell signals way above this. The most recent one was at 9:30. Up around here, I had the sell signal. So now I'm just kind of fucking sitting here. I mean, you're right with the 14, the trend is definitely up. The trend should be my friend. Oh, man. Yo, by the way, here, you want to laugh? I don't know if you guys even saw this. I fucking laughed my ass off. I love doing these things. Would hedging micros in 2 accounts work? What do you mean hedging micros in 2 accounts? Like do what? like go long and go short at the same time, hedge, or what would happen? I mean, one would get blown and one would be up. The problem you would run into, Visible, what happens if you get in 3 right here and you go up to like 940 and then you come down to like 900, and then when you wake up you're back at 920. The drawdown on both accounts would be hurt because of the swings. Your drawdown would get crushed. You know what I'm saying? Your drawdown would get smoked. I can't believe these guys fucking top ticked me, and now I would be in profit. It's a $750 swing because I got fucking top ticked. But yeah, that's what would happen, man. If you went long and short, one would probably get smoked. I kind of think this is going to go like down like $30 fucking dollars. I'm like eyeing 28.20. I'm eyeing like 28.80. I'm just at least 28.91 is what I'm looking at. Hedge the hedge with a hedge. So the hedge is hedged with a hedge. Dude, have you ever seen Mike and Dave? Is it Mike and Dave need wedding dates? Yeah, Mike and Dave need wedding dates. And what's her face? Anna Kendrick says she works at a hedge fund, and she's like, yeah, I do a lot of hedging. I hedge all day. Hedge. Yo, state your case. What up, man? What up? Welcome to the stream. State your name. Yo, all the new people that are on the stream, you can say what's up. I see there's a bunch of people here, but I don't see what your screen names are. But say what's up. We're just hanging out. I'm hanging out depending on what I want to do to get into gold for overnight. My overnight gold trade. But you could say what's up. The stream chat is open to everybody, or if you have questions, you know, we're making a lot of money here.
700 billion and $1.3 billion.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yo, we're going to win that much on this stream. Every day, you're going to say, please, I can't take it anymore. It's too many payouts. Yo, what up? What's up, Diary? What up? State your case. Dude, just freaking trading, man. Are you in anything? I'm just enjoying the night. I don't normally play gold, but everybody on the stream during the day keeps telling me to play gold. So here I am playing gold. Yo, Jay Styles, what up? Just shorted gold since I brought it up. I will say the trend, I'll show you just so you don't what freaking tab is it? Oh, it's on the Mike and Dave wedding dates one. So here's the trend. So you can see the trend started on January 27th. And we have held this trend line the whole time, right? But there are indicators that are catching the top multiple times. And I do like that we have a lower high. So we had a higher low, lower high here. We dropped. They bought it back up. If they wanted to go higher, this would have consolidated and pushed. You had an hourly bearish engulfing, pushed it back down. You definitely wicked low on the hourly, and that's usually after that they would have pushed it back up. They did not. And I'm curious if we hit this target here or possibly go down to the pivot point at maybe 867. Yo, I just hit take prof TP on NQ and then getting cocky and almost lost it all in a minute. Yo, Vince trades. What? Do you trade with Take Profit Trader? I do trade with Take Profit Trader. Here's my Take Profit Trader. I got a pro account and a bunch of other ones. Dude, you're probably playing NQ fucking heavy, man, because it's not really moving around that much. It dropped 10 points. Cove, you should get in the trenches? What? I am in the trenches. I feel like I'm only in the trenches. Boy, Vince, I'm guessing you're shorting NQ? You just... Dude, if I don't take a short on gold, I might not respect myself in the morning. Let's see what happens. Fuck, I'm going to hold this to the end of time, I feel like. Get in the foxhole. Meme coin trenches? Dude, that's I can't play meme coins, man. My brothers play meme coins. My brothers play meme coins all day. They're fucking like, yo, I just got 3 buttholes. And I'm like, bro, I'm over here trading real companies and shit. You're talking about butthole coins. I just can't. Yeah, it was about in the morning. I just lost 500 off NQ. Jeez. Bro, a lot of night. You can make that right back. One good trade makes that right back. Real freaking quick. I'll probably just play a wick test, right? A wick test. I know some of you guys like to test those big wicks, but yo, do I take the $100 and just run? That was so fucking quick. That was $110. That was real quick. Dude, gold's freaking cool, man. I am worried about the hourly trend line, but there's a lot of sell signals that have hit my my chart. So we shall see what wins, but that was quick money right there. I almost took 2. I should have taken 2. Yo. Dude. I want to say, dude, I'm freaking. Yo, if you followed that gold trade, If you shorted gold right there and you followed.
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
There you go, Diary. Get paid. Yo, Jay Styles, my man. We'll just hit this one more time.
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
Thank you for your vote of confidence. What the fuck was his firm's name again? The Wolf of Wall Street's firm's name? Wolf of... Oh, Stratton Oakmont. I need like Stratton Covemont. That'll be my firm's name, Stratton Covemont. Oh, man. I like gold short, man. I've been talking about gold short when we were up here. That's when I originally bought it. We were at 928. I actually wrote it down. I sold here, and then I rebought again here, and I got top ticked. Otherwise, I would have made money again. This loss would be like plus 300. I know it's going to sound crazy, but I think trading gold on the hourly chart is where it's at. I know it sounds nuts, but probably trading gold on the hourly chart and backing off the minis and going to like 5 micros is probably the sweet spot. And let it really fucking move around. You know, you'd be looking for moves of like $15 or, you know, $10 rather than 5. And I think that's what I like. Dude, gold was losses for me too, but you know what I did was I back tested, man. All my trades I back test. I don't just do it. Like, I went through data for weeks, looked at what I like, what worked. Things that I use on the NQ don't always work for gold. So I just took some indicators and I kept back testing to see what actually works on gold and what time frame. You know, when I was back testing, things didn't work on the 1 or the 5 minute. But when I started getting to the higher time frames, the back testing on gold became more profitable. And now today was the first day I was rolling it out live. And honestly, I would have been right all day. If they didn't top tick me, I should have just let my stop actually. I got an awful entry to boot, like to start. If I didn't get that awful entry and I got on like a bounce, I would have stayed in this. You know, instead of buying here, I let it bounce and maybe got here. I would have stayed in even if it went against me and still worked out profitable. You can scout, yeah. You ain't shorting gold. Yeah, I mean, my target was, what was it? What did I say? Like not 28.90. Also, my original thesis was up at 927, 928. So now that we're low already, I mean, it's not really the place you want to buy. I wonder if you could do this with gold. Let me see. I'll run this real quick. Yo, are you not sure? You're not shorting gold with Ray's money and me hitting the button? Oh, I don't like. I want it to be smooth. See how it's more smooth? What you don't want is a lot of like red, green, red, green, red, greens. You want it to be smooth, like red and a long green. Like, Also, you got to pick the time of day that works the best. And I actually don't know that for gold, but I will say, what is this? This is 4 o'clock. Man, that's a nice freaking move on gold. Maybe do the 5-minute chart on gold with adaptive 41. I mean, even when you lose, you'd get in at like 30 and out at like 30. That's not terrible. This you'd obviously be up. So you would be up, break even, up. You would have got in at like 47. I get out typically, or I don't know what I probably would have stayed in, but 7, you would have lost like $8. I wouldn't have got in there because that would have been too big of a drop for instantly. I would have to wait for the bounce, and then I probably would have got in somewhere around here, would have broke even-ish money. I'm not trading this during the day though. Sorry guys, I'm just talking out loud, like possibly something that might work for us with like a trend indicator. See, if I smoothed this out even further and went to like a like the 10, you would have caught this short up here at 47, and you would have freaking banked. You would have caught this at like 36. You would have got 30 something dollars. Maybe that's the move. Maybe a 10, 15-minute chart. I like the 5 though. I'm not trying to suck anyone into gold. I have something that I like on gold, and it's not this. I'm just seeing if this would work on it. You know, what's interesting is you would have been short. You would have been short pretty much where